Hey everybody, today we're gonna do Santa's head for Christmas time. So if you want to follow along, you can press pause, rewind, and kind of follow me and Cora as we draw this. So to begin, you need a piece of white paper, a Sharpie marker, and a bunch of colors.
Color markers.
Markers, that's right. Okay. So let's begin. All right, let's start off by drawing Santa's, let's do his nose in the middle, because that's gonna kind of center everything together. All right, so we're gonna do kind of like a peanut shape, okay, right in the middle of the page. And we're gonna go like this, go like a C shape. And then we're gonna go to the right, we're gonna go big nose like this, and then we're gonna come back down like that. That's it, okay. From there, we're gonna do his mustache, all right? So he has a mustache that goes...
Big mustache.
Yeah, big mustache. So he has two mustaches on either side, ready? So we're gonna go like this from right about the edge of his nose, and we're gonna do like a hook like this. That's right. And then we're gonna come back, Cora, and we're gonna stop right about here in the center of his face, okay? So we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna draw a nice curve for the bottom of the mustache, right like that. That's it. Now we'll start up here, a little bit higher on his nose, and we'll draw a smaller hook over there. And then we'll go, you can draw from here all the way up, or you can start from the top all the way down, whichever one you feel more comfortable doing. Either way. Okay, there's his mustache. I like your mustache. Okay, let's do his eyes. Okay, so we'll start with the left eye on our page. Okay, so we're gonna start at the top of his nose, and we're gonna do a circle, kind of like a long circle up and down, okay? Not like a perfect round circle, but like a longer shape, okay? So we're gonna start here, we're gonna come up and touch his mustache. Okay, and then on the other side, we're gonna do another circle here. This one we're gonna start up here, okay? So you're gonna start about there, and you're gonna stop right about here, okay? So watch me first, and then like this, and try to do it about the same as the other shape. Yep, and then right down here, you wanna connect the rest of the circle like that. Now in between, we're gonna do two long eyeball shapes like this. And in the center, you can have two dots for his eyeballs. Okay, now let's draw where his hat is gonna go. So from right about here, we're gonna cross through his eyes to this side here. So we're gonna start here, we're gonna come across, you're gonna see a little peekaboo piece in between, and then finish off like that. Then we're gonna come curved up, and then this side we're gonna curve up. And then over here, we're gonna draw a line, but there's gonna be like like a couple little breaks. Yeah, like a lightning bolt almost. So we're gonna go like this, do that, and we're gonna do another one, and then we're gonna connect that at the bottom. All right, now we're gonna finish the top of his hat. So we're gonna go like this. Watch, we're gonna start on this side here, and we're gonna hook this over like this. But don't pass the edge of his hat here, okay? So you wanna come and do a hook like this to right about here, okay? Right up there, so watch. So we'll go like this, and we'll stop right about there. Yep. Now, right here, we're gonna bend the hat down like that. And then we're gonna start here at the other edge of his hat. We're gonna come up, and then start in a little bit over here, and we're gonna do this, and we're gonna come kind of close to the edge of his hat there. Almost to a point, but not a point. All right, now we can draw the end of his hat with a little ball on it. like that. Then you could put a little notch in here, like a crease in his hat. All right, inside of this part of his hat, let's do kind of like these eyebrow shapes. So we'll do a curve upwards, we'll come down, and then we'll connect the bottom two. All right, and then on the other side, we'll do a line like this, and then we'll come down, and we'll connect. All right, now watch this. This is a little tricky. Now we're gonna do the side of his face with his cheek. So here's his forehead. All right, we're gonna come down and then we're gonna curve. And we're gonna do this like that.
It's like his cheek.
Yeah, that's his cheek, yep.
Cheek.
And now there's a little piece of hair over here on this side. Okay, now on the other side over here, we're gonna show his ear, but we're gonna do his ear right about here, okay? But before we do that, let's draw a line. So don't touch his hat, but right about here on the inside, we'll do a line like this. Yep, that's right there, okay? And then we'll do another one like this.
That's inside.
That's inside, yep. Okay, and then his ear is gonna come up like this and hook around. So in between his mustache and his hat. Okay, then you can draw like a little line here. That's right.
Do this.
Yeah, then on the inside, yeah, he has like like an ear shape like that. Okay, so we got the top part of his head. Now let's go down and let's do his mouth. So we're gonna draw, so right about in the center of his mustache, okay, on this side. So right about here, okay, follow me. We're gonna come up, what? Yeah, you are, I know. You're gonna come up like this. So do like a U shape. And then we're gonna hook that, like a little mountain shape, and then another hook like this. Okay, now we're gonna draw his tongue, and we're gonna connect it from about halfway. So from about halfway here to the top there. We're gonna do kind of like a curve like this, and then a second one like this. And then the other side of his mouth is gonna go almost to the center of his mustache, and it's gonna come down like that. There you go. Now let's finish off his beard, okay? Now we're gonna do almost like a V, there's almost like a heart shape, but it's gonna be like a V, and he has like these curves in it. So I'm gonna make a marking right about, so we're gonna take where his cheek is right about here, okay? I'm gonna draw a dot. So come down and draw a dot right about here. Okay, so that's where his beard is gonna end. It's gonna point, okay? So we're gonna do this. We're gonna start way up here at the side of his mustache, okay? And we're gonna do a small curve out that way. Yep, and then we're gonna come up. And then we're gonna do a little bit more of a curve. Yep, and then we're gonna come up a little bit, just a little. And then we're gonna do, watch this, we're gonna come down and then we're gonna point, almost like a nice, almost like a heart shape. Yep. Now from here, we're gonna join that point right here together, okay? So we're gonna start over here, and when you're drawing it, you're gonna come all the way down to that point, all right? Okay, so let's start right about here where his mustache is, and we're gonna do this kind of a shape, and then we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna do another curve. We're gonna come up. All right, you got it. And then right at the end, we're gonna come and hook it in together. There you go. Hey, there you go. All right. I love it. Look at that. We just drew Santa Claus for Christmas. All right. Hope everybody's looks cool like this. Let's go ahead and, you want to color it? All right, let's do this. All right, guys. Looking good. Santa's looking good. He's ready to go deliver presents to everybody, right? Did you make your list, Cora?
What
Your
was-
Christmas list
What Christmas? Oh,
of all the presents you want to get from Santa?
yeah.
Did you do it?
Yeah, but I'm not finished.
Not finished. Well, we're gonna send those out so that Santa gets it at the North Pole, right?
It's gonna look like the sheet that Santa says if like boys and girls are good or not.
Naughty or nice?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
gonna look like an
I think
old sheet.
Are you naughty or nice?
Nice.
Nice. All right. Okay,
Daddy's
guys.
naughty.
I'm naughty. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.